Today we'll be looking at this Makita LXT 18-volt drill driver. This is an older model and I've been using it for a little while now. Today we're going to be looking at it, going through the features, and I'll be telling you my opinion as if I think this drill is worth getting if you were to see it on eBay or Marketplace. So let's get into the video. This kit comes with a very nice hard case. It has got two really robust latches on each side, and it even has a spot where you could put a lock through it, so if you work on the job site you don't need to worry about someone stealing it. This kit, I believe, only comes with one smaller battery pack and doesn't have any fancy features like a fuel gauge. It does, however, come with a very nice charger, and I really do like it. Has plenty of features that I will go over in a little bit. Like I said before, this drill is an older model, feels very solid and very comfortable in the hands. I did purchase this 4 amp hour 18 volt battery separate, as the smaller battery was bad and I need to go get it rebuilt. You will get a single 1.3 amp hour battery. There is no battery indicator, but it is lightweight and pretty compact. I did buy this kit used off of Marketplace for about $60, and like I said earlier, when I received it, this battery was bad, so I had to purchase another battery. So I bought this 4 amp hour battery used off of Marketplace for about $35, which was a good deal. This larger battery gives me more runtime and more power out of my tool than the previous 1.3 amp hour battery would have given me. So I've put about $95 into this Makita kit, and I will have to get the smaller battery rebuilt at some point in time. You'll get a fast charger. This fast charger can charge the nickel metal hybrid and lithium ion batteries, both in the 7.2 volt and 18 volt battery platforms. This charger has a lot of cool features and will play one of 6 different tones when you insert the battery. This charger also has a fan to aid in cooling the battery. By inserting the battery and quickly removing it and then reinserting it again, you can change the sound of the charger. When you insert the battery pack, it will actually lock onto the charger, and so you have to actually press down the release button before it comes loose again. The middle LED will blink green when it is plugged into a power source. The left LED light will be solid red when the battery pack is charging. And once the battery is fully charged, it'll be solid red on the left and solid green in the middle. This charger will also tell you if the battery is too hot for charging or if your battery pack has actually gone bad. This charger can also trickle charge or maintenance charge your battery as needed, and will also tell you if the cooling fan is not working properly. This is a tabletop charger, so there's no option to mounting it on a wall. This drill has a very large belt clip, which I really like. It also has a very good feel and fit in the hand. You do have a 2-speed gearbox on the top, and a standard clutch system that I prefer over the DeWalt, as it seems to turn easier and more smoothly. This is a 17 position clutch. The chuck has a plastic sleeve, but the end is metal, so that adds durability. You get a fairly bright LED light, not the best, but it does the job. This drill does have some smart detect features such as overheat protection, as labeled by the star. And these features can only be utilized with a star battery as well. The nice thing about Makita power tools is you will often find a brush cover on the back, so it's easy to get to and repair the brushes if needed. In speed 1, this drill goes from 0 to 400 RPMs, and in speed 2 it goes from 0 to 1500 RPMs. This drill puts out 480 inch-pounds of torque and does have a half-inch chuck. I personally prefer the Makita power tool battery system over the DeWalt, as it slides in and out very easily. The DeWalt batteries just don't slide in as easily or as smoothly as the Makita power tools do. Now, that may not be a deal breaker, but it's something I thought I'd mention, as I just prefer the Makita batteries over the DeWalt's, but maybe it's not a big deal to you. Yes, I would recommend this drill. It is older, so it's discontinued and you may not be able to find it in store anymore, but if you find it for a good deal used, I would definitely say it's worth it because I really like it and it's definitely powerful enough for most of my jobs. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found it helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, as that really helps the channel. I'll see you all in my next video.